I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Payless Financial Training Group. Today, being April 26th, I am duty-bound to remind you it's time to file your tax return. So I typically call this calling all procrastinators. There is less than a week left for you to get that tax return done. I know that some people need the threat of the big penalty, the late filing penalty, in order to motivate themselves to get it done, so now's the time. When you don't file your tax return on time, you are opening yourself up to a penalty. The late filing penalty is based on the amount of money you owe and how late you are. So the later you are, the more you owe, the more money you owe, the more your late filing penalty will be. So there are two ways to avoid a late filing penalty. One, of course, is to file on time, which would be accounting humor. The other is to pay a bunch of money to CRA so you don't actually owe them any money. So typically the people who aren't filing on time will tell me, oh, I don't owe any money, so I'm not worried. And I will say to them, are you sure you don't owe any money? Have you actually done the return so that you can see that you don't owe any money? And they will say, no, but I know I don't owe any money. So that's one issue. The other issue is maybe you have roughed out the return and you don't owe any money, so you're feeling pretty confident. But what if you've missed a slip? Or what if you get a T4 slip later that has been amended? Because sometimes employers make mistakes on the T4 slips, or sometimes CRA comes back later and makes an employer include income for benefit plans or something that they thought weren't taxable and CRA disagrees. So really the only surefire way to make sure that you are not going to be assessed a late filing penalty would be to file on time. And this year's deadline is May 2nd. So you've got a week, get it done.